What is the meaning of the word obdurate? Depending on whether you use American or British English, you pronounce the word obdurate or obdurate. Throughout the video, I am going to pronounce it as obdurate. You can pronounce it in whatever way you feel like. The word is used to describe a person who is stubborn and doesn't change no matter how much you explain something to them. Obdurate is an adjective. It has a negative connotation. The word closest to obdurate is stubborn, but stubborn can be used in a positive sense also. For example, a stubborn fighter who never gives up. You don't use the phrase an obdurate fighter for a fighter who never gives up. Obduration is an unreasonable stubbornness. Despite all the proof available, if a person doesn't admit to doing something wrong, he is called an obdurate person. An obdurate person refuses to change their mind or their action no matter how much you tell them to. No amount of emotional or logical appeal works. A popular example of an obdurate person is Thanos from the Avengers series. His goal is to erase half of all life in the universe to restore balance as he thinks it should. The Avengers try to persuade him first. They tell him the moral wrongness of causing so much misery. He refuses to consider alternatives, displaying his obduracy. Another popular example is Cersei Lannister from the TV series Game of Thrones. Her actions and decisions lead to widespread destruction, and despite constantly being advised by multiple people to change her tactics, she sticks to her obdurate behavior. This leads to her violent death and of course widespread destruction. Here are 5 sentence examples using the word obdurate. No matter how much evidence was presented, the obdurate climate change denier remained obstinately opposed to accepting scientific facts. His obdurate prejudices prevented him from seeing people of other races and cultures as equals. The obdurate bureaucrat refused to budge from outdated policies, stifling innovation and progress. Her obdurate resistance to constructive criticism hindered her ability to grow and improve as an artist. The obdurate judge's uncompromising stance on harsh sentencing perpetuated a cruel and unjust system. Are you able to understand the meaning of the word obdurate through this video? Will you be able to use the word obdurate correctly when writing? If you feel such videos help you, please subscribe to my channel or click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such videos. Thanks for watching.